So one of your other choices is like, instead of like having the registration system where you have your block and you're putting your paper down like that, you know, especially with like this ink, it tends to be really tacky. So you could put your paper down and then place your jelly plate where you want it to go, and then give it a good squish, and then turn it over to take your impression. And that's how I would register multiple runs, is I would then register the next run on top using that method. And just lining up the block so that you know where it needs to go by visually placing it on top of the previous print. So I'll show you what I mean. So like that's really interesting texture there. Now there's still some texture left on my block, so I can take this. Here's this print here. So I can take the block now, or the plate, and I can register it by lining it up. And then dropping the second one on top. Okay? And then to clean this, you know, again, I really like these simple green rags. But you can also just use water and soap and a rag. Okay, so now it's clean. And then just, you know, clean up your work area, clean up your brayer, etc., etc.